everybody, welcome back to another Ford Ranger video. Well, this week, this video is brought to you by PEZTIO, and I hope I'm saying that right. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I would like to install and demonstrate this dash cam. So this is perfect because I have one in the Mustang and I don't have one in the Ranger. So that's where I'm going to install this. This one looks pretty nice and is definitely affordable. I'll put a link in the description. It looks like it has, here are the features. It also has a rear camera, which looks like, I haven't read the instructions yet, but it looks like it's set up as like a little satellite that will also, I'm hoping, I don't know if it'll capture or if it's just for backing up or what. But anyway, let's get this open and let's see what we have inside. All right, here we go. This is the forward facing. Looks like it comes with all the wiring. Got a suction cup. Yep, there's your rear facing camera right there. Looks like it may be some sort of backup camera, but we'll check that out. 12-volt power supply. Instructions. Looks like this includes everything we need, with the exception of a memory card. I don't know if I have a memory card of this size, although I may be able to find one in something else, so we'll figure that out. Okay, well, I read the instructions, and rather than try to steal a memory card from something else and reformat it, I just went onto Amazon and I found a 32 gig memory card that will be here tomorrow, and it was less than $9. So definitely worth it. It says in the instructions that the maximum amount of storage is going to be, let's see, between 8 and 32. So I chose a 32. Anyway, we'll pick this back up tomorrow once I have the card. Stay tuned. All right, here I am the next day, and I managed to receive the SD card. That's the adapter for it. And it fits in this little slot right here. Like I said, you can pretty much get any one you want. I got this on Amazon. It was $8.99, so pretty reasonable. Anyway, did some research and I figured this out. This is the dash cam. Records forward video. And then the pretty cool part about this is actually a backup camera. I don't believe it records while it's, you know, showing the picture, but I already have a backup camera on the truck built into the stereo, so I'm not going to install this as a backup cam. But what you can use this for in a situation like mine is I can put this on the front and have it as you know, like a front facing camera, or underneath the truck if you're four-wheeling or whatever and you want to see clearance. All you would need to do is actually provide a switchable 12-volt to this trigger wire, which would then power up this camera. So I'm not going to do this today, but I probably will do this in the future. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in, mount it, and turn it on. Stay tuned. All right, out here in the truck, you can see I've got it hooked up where I want it, just kind of under the mirror. And those of you that know me know that I'm not going to leave this wire dangling. What I'm going to do is basically route it up and over and down, and I'll probably pull a power source and put it inside the glove box. But that'll be a different day. But for right now, I'm just going over the instructions. It does look like it has dual lens recording, so front and back recording. Although I'm not 100% sure if that is only when the back camera is on or if it's at all times. I'm not sure. But this has everything except for Wi-Fi, everything that my Blackview system has, which of course was much more expensive than this. I'll be honest, I'm having a little bit trouble trying to toggle through and figure out all the menu options and see what all of this stuff does. But I'm sure with a little bit of patience, you can figure that out. It tells you how to wire it. Basically, it's pretty much plug and play. This is for the power, and there's one right there. That is for the backup camera or the front camera, or wherever you want to put it. That's the cool part. So what I'll do is I'll wait till it gets a little bit darker with a little more, so the sun's not so glary, and we'll take this for a drive and see what it looks like. So stay tuned. All right, here I am driving. You can see what it looks like. Pretty good view. It does record in HD. So like I said before, I'll definitely tuck this wire up, and so that won't be an issue. All right, so I stopped so you can get a better look. Anyway, definitely not a high dollar camera, but not you know, $300 or $400 like the Blackview is. So I think, you know, an inexpensive dash cam is definitely a lot better than no dash cam at all. And with the business I'm in, which is insurance arbitration, I highly recommend you have one of these, because a lot of accidents happen and you can't prove that you're innocent. So I'll put a link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. But I am going to leave this permanently installed in the truck. I am going to route the wires up and over and down. Underneath, like I said, I'll probably put some sort of power supply in the glove box to plug this in. But this will do for now for testing purposes. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, we'll catch you on the flip side.